I'm just trying to find some internet to see if Bryce is going to die or not, if it was a blue bottle, because that's what he thinks it could have been. So nobody told me about the steps, or actually lack of steps.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're just about packed up at Coral Bay, ready to head to Exmouth for the next 2 weeks. We've just pulled up to the RAC in Exmouth. I'm in the process of unhooking and yeah, we're pretty excited to be here for the next 3 nights. Gonna go check out a few things in town, head to the breweries, do a few things that we weren't, I don't know, we couldn't walk to last time because we were out at Yardy Creek. So it'll be really good to stay in Exmouth and explore around.
We are just about finished setting up. Well, Bryce is just about finished setting up. I've been a bit lazy and been doing stuff on my phone in the caravan. But look how big our site is.
How huge is that? So hypothetically, we can park our car here if we want. Or you've got all this space at the front.
Also, look how big the park is. So we're up here, reception is down here, and you've got 2 swimming pools. This one's like meant to be a massive resort pool, big camp kitchen, rec room, new barbecue. So I'm really keen to check that out, and it's literally just over there. Just come for a drive out to Town Beach in Exmouth, and wow, it's so busy down here.
Yeah, lots of people around.
So many people.
Hey there. So we went to the post office before for the 2nd time because apparently you can't pick up a package between 11 and 2 because they're a bit busy sorting through everything. But check this out. That's right, I'll bring it out to you.
Okay, thank you.
I got some more beers.
Oh,
check that
pretty
out.
Convenient.
Thank you very much. Paul Ducker sent us a carton of beer, so cannot wait to get stuck into them later on.
It is such a beautiful day here in Exmouth. We've already been for a morning walk. Bryce has done a job in the caravan park as well. And now we're gonna have a little bit of a bacon eggs brekkie by the pool. They've got a really nice rec area. So you've got pool, barbecues, camp kitchen, games room right next to each other. It's actually pretty nice here. Actually, really nice here. Bon appetit!
It's always stressful cooking Chelsea's eggs because if you don't get them exactly perfect, like it's just a challenge. I can never get it right. It's either always just a little bit too under or a little bit too over because she likes them quite runny.
I do like them quite runny.
Today we've got a few different plans. We're going to head to the aquarium in a little while, go check out that. Got some more posts to pick up that finally got sorted, and maybe even check out a brewery later on.
Maybe. We will.
Y'all come on beer?
No.
No, alright, good. That's right then.
And we're not maybe going to go to a brewery, we are going to go to a brewery. Another day, another beach. Sounded a lot better in my head. But anyway, we didn't end up going to the aquarium because we didn't see amazing wiki camps reviews, and so we just went to the information centre, had a little bit of a look around anyway. So we are down on Pebble Beach. It's a lot quieter than the beach in town, in the town of Exmouth. We are going to try for a little bit of a fish because we've got some bait that we need to use up in the fridge because it's getting a little bit smelly. And yeah, wish us luck.
We always say we'll let you know when we catch something, so check this out.
A toadfish.
Yeah, lovely.
It puffed itself up and I was like, what is this thing floating in on the end of my line?
Yeah. Fun fact though, when we were in Denham, apparently dolphins grab these guys when they're all puffed up, chew on them a little bit, get a high, and then they pass them around and then throw them back to the ocean.
And they know that they get a high, so they keep coming back and doing it. How weird. After a great 3 days in the town of Exmouth, going to the breweries, heading down to the town beach and just looking at a few points of interest over this side, we are heading to the Yardie Homestead Caravan Park today. Unfortunately, we couldn't get any bookings in the national park for any campsites because they just book up like as soon as they come out every year, and unless you're on there at midnight trying to get a site, you're just not going to get in. So we have booked into the homestead, which is your closest caravan park towards the national park, so we can still do all our day trips and stuff into all the cool snorkeling spots.
That bird keeps swooping us.
That's like probably the maybe 10th.
Oh my god.
So that was like the 10th time that bird swooped me today, and he just doesn't like us for some reason. I don't know if we're under his nest or... Yeah.
This must be his tree up there.
Alrighty, so we've just finished making some lunch because we're going to be heading into the Cape Range National Park today. We've just whipped up some sushi in here.
We love making sushi up when we are doing day trips because it's just super easy. We can do 2 days at a time. Doesn't go soggy or go bad. So yeah.
Yeah, just some chicken avocado rolls, and yeah, turned out really good. It was a bit of a challenge trying to find sushi sheets in Exmouth.
Oh yeah. I think everyone had the same idea. They're making sushi at the moment. There was like nothing left in stock. Look at the size of this turtle. That's huge.
That's what she said.
So we're in the information centre now. This one is the Cape Range Information Centre. So you've got two here, one's in the town of Exmouth and one's out in the National Park. It's pretty good. It'd be especially good for families. There's lots of interactive stuff. Or not just families. Bryce is having a good time over here.
Yeah, I'm sussing some stuff out about whales, so I'm having a good time.
Are you learning what it's called in the blowhole?
It's just called the blow, apparently.
The blow.
Just
okay.
the blow.
And then we've got my favourite animal just over here. A goanna. Yeah.
About 1 kilometre just down from the information centre, you have got a really good snorkeling spot, and it's called Lakeside. We were here a couple of years ago and it wasn't super popular, so we're hoping that it's still the same and there's not tons and tons of people around.
Yeah, it is a good spot. There's a heap of deep water, so you have to feel pretty confident to go swimming out there, but you get to see a heap of like big rays and lots of fish.
I'm not really sure if I'm going to be brave enough to go snorkeling out there because I'm a little bit picky and choosy about where I go, but maybe as the tide gets a bit lower this afternoon and it's not as deep, I might cruise out there.
From the car park, it's about a 500 metre walk, so we've loaded up with everything to go hang down here for the next few hours. Beautiful day, and yeah, check that watercolour out.
So we found the perfect little spot to set up for the day. It's so warm out here, so we thought we'd bring the umbrella, that way we're not just getting pounded by the sun and we can stay out here longer. There's not super amounts of people, which is really nice. It's just come up to high tide, so I think we're gonna go for a swim and then Bryce is gonna head out for a snorkel. He's gonna take the GoPro with him as well, so hopefully he can find some turtles or stingrays or something cool.
No pressure now to find something good. There's so much sea life out there. There was a few sharks, got a big school of trevally, and it'd be lovely to have a little spear gun or something just to go bang, but you're in the sanctuary zone. And I did get kissed by a jellyfish as well. I've got a little bit of a sting on my shoulder just here somewhere, and a few bits over the back of my arm. So yeah, a bit of everything out here.
I'm just trying to find some internet to see if Bryce is going to die or not, if it was a blue bottle, because that's what he thinks it could have been. So, but I can't even get signal, so too bad.
Thanks.
We ended up seeing a couple more blue bottles on the beach, so we assume that's what stung Bryce a little bit earlier. I did go for a snorkel as well, and it was pretty nice out there, but there's more just lots of fish. Like, we didn't see any turtles, I didn't see any stingrays or anything, which was a little bit of a shame, but we've got another 8 or so days here, and we're just going to try a few of the other snorkeling spots and see if we can spot any. So we've come for a drive just to find somewhere in the national park nice to sit down and have lunch. And we've found, I'm pretty sure this one's Mesa Campground. There's 2 right next to each other, so it could be the other one. I'll have to check. But you can actually drive on the beach here. It's not a massive area, but it's big enough to come have your lunch and set up for a couple of hours. It looks really nice. There is lots of very random little tracks that go off the road just down near Yardy. And we've come down to one this morning. I don't even think it has a name. And it's got a beautiful beach area. We stood up on these dunes behind me and we can see something in the water. We're not really sure what it is, but it looks really big and it's quite dark. So I'm not sure if it's like some turtles or something. But anyway, Bryce is gonna chuck the drone up and hopefully it's something cool.
Alrighty, so we've got 2 turtles having a crack at each other, and then there's another one sniffing around as well because I think he's missed out. Poor fella.
Maybe he's stolen his woman.
Yeah, all I know is it looks like a bit of a rodeo show or something. The guy on top's really hanging on for dear life while they get whipped around in the ocean.
They've been going for a while.
Yeah, let us know in the comments how long they mate for, because I reckon it's something like a couple hours or something like that, I reckon.
We're honestly just blown away all the time when we come out to the water with the amount of sea life that's out there. You put the drone up and you always are guaranteed to see sharks, stingrays, turtles mating. It's actually pretty cool.
Can't wait to give my parents a buzz later tonight. They'll be like, what did you guys do today? Oh, we went down the beach and watched a turtle threesome. So because it looks so good down here, we're going to go chuck a line in. We checked the Wreckfish West WA app, and there's so many sanctuary zones, but you can shore fish like with line fishing in most places. So it's a good idea to have that up so you can check where's good and where's not to.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
It's a little bit of a windy morning today, so we thought we'd stay clear of the coast because it is just blowing a gale and not very nice out there. We've come out to the Cape Range National Park and we are doing the Mandu Mandu walk this morning. Pretty sure it's about an hour long, it's not too difficult or anything, and it's got some really good reviews.
So you get to see this man do a walk.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate.
So we didn't really take too much notice of the board on our way in, but all the way up there you can see some people, and I think that's where we've got to go. So Chelsea's either going to love me or hate me after this walk. And now it's time to start the climb. Up we
by
go.
Miley Cyrus.
The climb?
The climb!
Yeah, that's a good one. We're definitely not going to get any copy strikes for that one.
Hey, what do you mean? Nobody told me about the steps, or actually lack of steps.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Nothing's wrong.
Nice view up here though, you can even see the water.
Yeah, if you squint your eyes a little bit, you might be able to see the ocean. Alright, we're heading up there. Woo!
Let's go. We made it to the top. It actually was surprisingly not that bad of a walk.
No, it's not bad at all actually. There was a couple of ups and downs, but no, it's pretty good. It's pretty steady.
Yeah, really nice and awesome views from the top here, even when it's a windy day. Now the next challenge is getting down, and wait until you see the steep drop off that we've got to climb down now. It's all the way down here to get back to the car park.
We are going to end this video here, but that's not all of our Exmouth exploring. We are actually staying around a little bit longer, so make sure to watch next week's video as well. If you are enjoying them, make sure to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hopefully this wind backs off a little bit so we can go out and do some more exploring. Catch you next week.